fine. So at least this role play should go on for half an hour. Whichever character is required, we'll take anyone from this group as per the situation. But for the time being, I need only two characters, husband and wife. So, uh, Naresh, you are Shweta, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So you are getting ready. You have to go for an interview. Your husband doesn't know about it. All of a sudden, your husband comes and starts talking to you. Normal conversation will start, and then this conversation has to turn into a heated argument. Okay, Sugu?
Okay, okay.
Yes,
So
yes.
Shweta is sitting, getting ready, doing some makeup. Now your entry starts. Go ahead.
Hey, Sweta, what are you doing now? It's already 10 o'clock. I'm waiting for my breakfast.
Yeah, I'm putting on makeup actually, and
Why?
so that's the reason.
Why you doing a makeup so early? Because generally you do means after I leave house for my job.
Actually, this is not a kind of makeup. Actually, I'm giving some kind of treatment to my skin so that I can make it fresh forever. So it is a kind of treatment that you can understand.
Treatment? You know, I'm a doctor. Before you do any treatment or something, you should consult with me. You know, one of the best doctor in this city.
I know you are a doctor, but I'm not able to ask you every single thing, right? So you are a doctor, I know, but it's not important to ask each and everything from you. And sometimes
See,
I also,
Sita, I'll tell you upfront. Nowadays, I feel you won't giving too much time to kids and family. What's happened with you?
no, I'm giving, but actually you take my like all the works for granted. Even you even don't know about my importance, and always you ignore my deeds. So that's the reason you are not able to find out my importance.
No, but before marriage, we had some discussion, right? I'll take care outside. You can take care entire family because I'm a doctor. I'm running one of the best hospital in this city. So I don't think so. We have an issue with regarding financial.
I know that we don't have any issue financially, but I want also
Oh,
want
guys, I'm
to.
just coming. You the guys carry on. Huh? I'm just coming.
Okay.
So I want to work. Like I also want to use my potential, right? So I can't remain a housewife all the time, right? So I also want to use my potential, and I am really looking forward to getting a job. So that's the reason I have already applied for a company, and within 3 or 4 days, I'm gonna join that. So how about what do you think about it?
It's really astonished me. I'm really shocked. Why do you want to do the job? I know you are qualified, and you have done graduation in one of the best college in this in this city. But still, I have a doubt. Why do you want to do the job? Do you think really we required money to run this house?
Sometimes money is not important. Money is not the only thing that can give you everything in your life that you want. Sometimes we also have to focus on other things like contentment, happiness, right? So I have an intense desire to feel to feel satisfaction. So that's the reason
No, no,
I
Sweta,
gonna.
no. You are going in a different, means wrong direction. Please try to understand. We are living in a joint family, and we have a two kids who will take care for this our kid and family.
Yeah, you are saying absolutely right, but I can understand. I can manage both things. I will also take care of kids, and I am able to do job, right? So
No,
that's the
Sweta,
reason it's my
see again. I'm
responsibility to
telling you,
take.
it's very difficult to manage professional and personal life. See to me. See, I'm really difficult to manage personal and professional life. That's why we have means we have been fighting every day due to only this reason. I don't want again you will go and do a job who will take care of my family and my kids. I can't concentrate on my job. Just think before you take a decision. At least you discuss with me.
actually, I can't sacrifice my precious life for you, right? For you only. I have also my freedom to live my life to the fullest. So
Yeah, I'm back,
you
back, I'm
can't
back.
control my life, right? So I know how to live my life, and I know how to make my life better than before. So just I'm not here in order to serve you all the time, right? So I
No,
have
no, no, Sweta,
also.
please, please, please. Now, I feel you are discussing wrong thing. I must say, please, before you take any decision, just think about the family and kids. You are a pillar for this family. If you go outside and do the job, what society will think? We don't have a money. We don't have a stable financial status.
Yeah, like let them speak whatever they speak, right? So like nobody can control my emotions, my life, right? So I can't give the remote.
No, if this
I
is
can't
the
give the remote to
scenario, then
anyone
definitely
else.
we think in a different way. But definitely we think in a different way, and I don't have any choice. We just hire a lawyer and we go with a different direction.
Yeah, definitely you can do that, but it's not like that. That you always control me and you always ask me to live my life according to you, right? It's my way or the highway.
See, Sweta,
I'm not here
I'm late.
to be
I'm late
controlled by
for
you.
my office. Please, I'm late for my office. I'm not controlling you. I'm telling you because we are living in a joint family. We have two kids. If I go office, if you will go office, who will take care of my family? This is my
There is
question. If you
there
are
is
able
other
to
options
answer this
also.
one,
We can
you
hire a
are
maid.
free to do whatever you want.
We can hire a maid who will take care of our children, right?
Still, we have a five maid in our house. How many people we hire? Still, we have a five people are working in my
Okay,
house.
Shweta, you get
You
angry.
know the cost.
Get angry, and
Yeah,
now just go from
you know
there.
the cost. I'm paying more than 2 lakhs rupees for this bloody hell, and still you are going for this 50,000 rupees job. If you want, I'll give you 1 lakh rupees. You should sit in home and do the job.
What the hell are you talking? I'm not live here for a single center, right? I can't stand you anymore, right? So it's my like I'm going to leave this place as soon as possible because I can't live this kind a kind of person who is really narcissistic, right? So it's very hard to live with you because you are not
See,
able to
Shweta,
understand my
see,
feelings.
please, please listen to me. If you go from my house, the door will close. Means the door will close for you. You won't come back. So before you will take a decision, just to think, then you take a decision because this is my
Just
last sentence to you, and this is a warning for you.
first of all, like think like beyond your like middle thinking. Like first of all, I would like to tell you that if I die, who will take care of our family?
No,
Suddenly,
that's what I'm saying.
if
No,
I
no, no.
die, that
See,
who will take care of our family?
if this is your concern, please consult with me. I have a life insurance. I have a 2 crore property in my city, in the middle of the town. Why are you
Yeah.
thinking about this 50,000 rupees? We are earning more than 5 lakh rupees per month.
Shweta, say it's not
And I'm
about
running one
money,
of
it's
the.
about your qualification and talent, and you have to do something. Shweta, say, get angry. How
Yeah,
dare
yeah.
he?
So it's not about a money, right? Sometimes we need contentment, we need satisfaction, okay, right? We need happiness, right? So money goes fertile. Money goes futile
Yeah.
if we don't work according to our
See,
interest,
Sweta,
right?
I don't
So my
want
life,
ugly.
it's my
Now
life.
we are going. See, Sweta, we are going ugly discussion here. Just
So
remember, before marriage, you had committed, okay, you can focus entire things to my family and kids. Now you are diverted. Now you are going in a wrong direction. That's why I'm correcting you. I'm not blaming
right,
to
I
you.
am
You
going
are educated or
I am
not. We
going
are
I
not
am
discussing here.
going I am going in a wrong direction because I am not working according to your interest. So that's why you feel that I am going in a wrong direction, right?
Yes,
Right?
yes, you are going a
Okay,
wrong
that's fine. That's fine.
direction.
That's fine. That's fine. Leave, leave, leave. Fine. It was good, I would say. However, if I had to play the character of a wife, I'm telling you, I would have just quarreled with Subbu. I would have taken his all the hair out of his head. You know.
Yeah.
So that is
Nice,
required.
nice one.
थोड़ा
Thanks,
शांत
thanks, Naresh.
बंदा हूँ जी,
Yeah.
क्या कर रहा हूँ?
Yeah.
I'm serene.
But
Like
this conversation was good, and Naresh, you always use good vocabulary. It's really
yes,
great, great, Naresh. Very good.
thank you, sir. Thank you.
As far as mistakes are concerned, Subbu said one sentence, ki one of the best doctor. So whenever you say one of, you know that you have to use plural. One of the best doctors. You know?
Right, right, right.
And you said if you will go to office. So instead of will, you should
No,
have
no, no,
said
no.
you if you go to
Yeah, yeah.
office. Minor
So
mistakes.
these things happen. Means I'll means tell you one thing. Whenever I'll speak, means, I want to speak as much as fast. But once I cross the sentence, then I realize, okay, I did a mistake. But I don't want to stop and again repeat the sentence. I'll just go with
Yes.
the flow.
But it
I
was
know. Means I
better than
use
before.
if.
Better than
Yeah.
before, I would say.
Mm-hmm.
That's the reason now we are here for practice. If we do lots of debate, role play, definitely we are going to improve.
Right.
Okay, but I want the way it should be. You know, like quarreling means you have to quarrel. Go to that level.
Okay, we'll do it.
Yeah. When you go to that level, then definitely you will, start hesitating, and I want that control. That when you are speaking so much fast and still if you have control, means you are becoming fluent. That is required.
No, sir, I want to know that if we want to make a quarrel, so for that matter, we need to have some kind of phrases which are oftenly used in quarreling conversation.
Yeah, I can give you those phrases as well, but see,
Yeah.
all the time before any matter you can't prepare yourself. Suppose right now something happens to you and you have to speak in English, you can't go back and check the dictionary in order to know the words meaning. You have
Yes,
to
yes, yes.
fight with all the tools which you already have. So
Yes,
what
yes.
you gotta do is, as a homework, you have to work on so many good phrases, good idioms, phrases, good words meaning, and try to create stories at home. And when you enter this class, just try to use all of them. It takes time. Sometimes you
Yeah.
learn, but you are not able to use. It happens. I can understand that.
Yeah, this is how I have been practicing, sir. So that's why
Yes,
I
whole
try
day.
to use
It
vocabulary words.
Yes, means I'm telling you, being fluent in English is not a child's play. It takes so much time. At your home, you have to keep on talking, keep on doing this storytelling and learning thing. Then you will be fluent.
Correct.
Anyways,
I
but
think
we'll do it. It is better. It was quite good.
Okay. Thanks,
Okay.
sir.
So now I want, there is one more role play in which Rekha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Rekha and other people are required. So I'm telling you what the situation is. Rekha is playing the character of a mother, and Rekha has a daughter. Daughter could be anyone. So daughter is very much interested in learning salsa dance. Does anyone know about salsa?
Yes,
Salsa.
sir. I heard about it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Salsa is a couple dance. You know, like boy and girl, they do that salsa dance. Okay. So daughter goes to mother and says that Mama, I want to join a dance institute. Mama will start talking about this, but Mama knows that daddy is deadly against it. Daddy is not going to accept it. So Mama and daughter have to have the conversation. Meanwhile, father comes and father gets angry. So these three people are required for this role play. So Rekha is going to be the mother, and any daughter is required. Anyone who can play the character of a daughter?
Yes, sir, I can play the role.
You should
I
play the
can play the
character
role.
of a husband, Pavan.
Okay, okay.
Okay, you are the father, and
Yes, sir.
either Shaili or Kittu, anyone can become the daughter who wants to learn dance.
I am ready.
Shaili wants to be okay.
Daughter.
So Shaili, do one thing. First of all, you go to your friend's house. Kittu is your friend. Kittu, are you there?
Yeah, yeah.
So Kittu
I'm
is your
here.
friend, and Kittu is already learning this salsa dance. Once you go to your friend's house, she'll talk about her dance moves and all. You will get totally convinced, fascinated, and then soon after leaving Kittu's house, you have to go to your mama and start buttering her for this. This is the entire role play. So the first scene starts when you are going to ring the doorbell of Kittu. Come on, Kittu, you have to open, welcome your friend, and then the conversation starts. Okay.
Knock.
Yeah. Yeah. Kittu, open the door.
What?
Hey,
what are
wait. Kittu.
Yeah?
You are a very rich girl, so you have a servant at your home. Mehraj, you are the servant. Mehraj, are you there? Mehraj?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay, let me tell you guys, Mehraj जो है वो IAS की तैयारी कर रहा है, तो बुरा नहीं मानना है मेहराज, ठीक है?
Sir, pleasure.
Sorry, IPS की, किसकी? IAS, IPS किसकी?
Yes, sir, I took IPS.
IPS, एक ही है, इनको IPS करना है इनको. कोई नहीं, बुरा नहीं मानना है यार, सब रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं.
pleasure. It's a role play. It's not real.
Yeah, it's a role play. नहीं, कई लोगों को ना लगता है कि अच्छा मुझे नौकर का रोल दे दिया.
No, no, sir.
It's a role play. Fine. So this video is being recorded. This video is being recorded.
Okay.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Fine. So
Knock, knock.
when she is knocking the door, Kitu, you ask Mehraj, your servant, to open the door. Okay. His name is Ramu. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Action.
Knock, knock. Hey, Ramu, just go and see who's in the door.
At,
Yes,
outside
ma'am.
the
Yes.
door.
at the
Yes,
door.
ma'am. I'm going. Yeah. Yes. Who are you?
I am Kitu's friend Shelly and I want to meet her.
Okay. Come in. Ma'am is sitting inside the room. Come.
Okay. Where is Kitu? She's free or not?
Ramu.
No, ma'am. She's free. You can talk to her. He's inside.
She's inside.
Yeah,
Hey, hi, Shelly. How are you?
I am fine. And how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing good. What do you bring? What do you bring here today?
What brought you here?
Uh,
What brought
Yeah,
you
what
here?
brought you here today?
I came here just to meet you.
Sorry.
And I came here for meet you.
To meet you.
For
Okay,
to meet you.
Okay, nice. Actually, I'm too busy right now. My salsa class almost
Going to be started.
it's about to start in few seconds.
Okay. Have you joined? When have you joined the salsa class?
When did you?
You didn't tell me.
When did
When did you join the salsa classes? You didn't tell me about that.
Yeah, I've been learning salsa since very long. It's
Oh.
been a year.
Okay.
Yeah, and it is, yeah.
And just tell me about the salsa because I have no any idea about it and just I want to know more about it.
Oh, salsa is very nice dance form where two couples do this dance, play this dance all the time, and like this is full of fun. We learn a new move every time, and this is totally awesome. Like how I can explain you, but this is so nice. And basically, this
Okay.
is like a couple dance kind of thing comes inside this dance form.
Okay.
So, would you
And
like to? Yeah, would you like
yeah,
to
I
join salsa with us?
yeah, I would like to join this, but before that I have to take permission from my parents because I don't think they are going to allow me.
Oh, means do you love salsa? Do you love dancing, right?
Yeah, I love dancing. I don't know much about the salsa, but I would like to join this. So,
Yeah, sure.
and
You
just
you just yeah, you just ask your parents because this is very nice form of dance, and I can ask my teacher to teach you, and they will give you a good discount on it. So this is good chance and good time to go and ask, and you can get some discount on it because this time is going on for just they are
And
keeping a new student in this group.
Kitu,
okay.
ask Ramu to make cup of tea for your friend. Actually,
Oh
your
yeah.
friend is there.
Hey, hey Ramu, where are you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah, can you make a cup of tea for us?
Yes. Why not? Yeah, I'm going to. Yes, I'm going to prepare.
Yeah, I
Uh,
want sugarless, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
okay.
Okay.
Kitu, could you tell me about the charges about dances? How much I need to pay for this?
Oh, they generally charge 250 rupees. 250 rupees per month. No, 250 is less. 2,500 rupees per
Okay,
month.
fine.
And they will give you a 2 demo session free. So if you come and just take a demo and then you just decide and just make your mind, do you wanna join this kind of dance or not? So
And what is the
all thing is
timing
just
of?
up to you.
And just tell me what is the timing of the dance? It is in the morning or evening?
It's a evening time. Just this time is 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock and 4:30. This class will start.
Oh, okay, nice.
Yeah.
And for this dance, do we need couple only? We can't do it alone.
No. This dance form is with the couple. So it's not necessary there will be the boy. Anyone can join you.
Because it is very difficult for my family because they are very conservative type. They are not giving permission to go and dance with any boy.
Yeah, I can understand, but yeah, but
But
if you
Kitu,
like
Kitu,
salsa,
you have
so
to
yeah.
you have to remove her thoughts. You said no, there is no problem. It's just a dance like this.
Oh yeah, exactly. Yeah, there is no problem. Just a dance. Like
I
anybody
know
can
it.
do this. Nobody will mind. Like
I know it is not for. I know I can dance, but for my family it is a big issue because when you want to dance with a boy, for them not easy for them to accept this.
yeah, but you can ask to teacher to give you a girl partner, and then you can learn this dance form. Because I don't think so there is anything wrong if you dance with some girl or with some boy.
Ramu,
Is
come
it
with the
Just
tea.
possible?
because
Ramu, come with the
yeah,
tea. Ramu.
Ma'am, tea is ready. Should I bring or no?
yeah, of course. Just keep
Okay,
the
ma'am,
tea and
take,
put
take.
it here in front of us.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, take tea. Yes, ma'am, take.
Fine.
Okay, ma'am, how does test?
How does it
It
taste?
tastes good.
Yes. Okay,
Thank you.
thank you.
Yeah, taste is very nice. Thank you so much. Your hand is like you are like so nice to making this
Okay,
kind of
thank you,
food.
thank you,
Like
thank you.
Okay, fine,
Okay.
fine.
Kitu, how long have you been learning this dance?
a last 1 year.
Last 1 year. Now
Yeah.
I think you will. You must be perfect in that dance.
Yeah, it's yeah, you can say like that, but not that much. I want to go beyond this label. I want to do more and more with perfection this dance. So yeah,
Mm.
so I'm so fascinated towards towards this dance, and I want to go and just learn this one more.
Okay, now shall we have
Okay.
to take leave from there? Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay, Kitu. Now I am going to my home, and I would like to talk to my mother about the dance so that I also can join this dance with you.
Yeah, sure, sure. Let me inform sooner so that I can talk to my teacher and give you the to so that he can give you the good discount on it. Okay.
Can you send me the detail of everything so that would be easy for me so I can show my parents
Yeah, details. So
details
yeah,
about
this is
everything like the
yeah this is
charges and
yeah. You just take this template of this dance and just see it and just find these details on Google or YouTube and just see the videos, and then you can talk to your parents.
okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
now go to your mama's house. Okay.
Okay.
Naresh, in doubt class, I'll make it clear. Okay, Naresh. Don't worry.
Hello, Mama. I am at home.
Hi, Shelly. Where were you?
I went to my friend's house and I came from there.
Okay, but I have
And
been calling you since 15, last 15 minutes, for 15 minutes,
because
For
because
and I
I
couldn't
have
find you.
because there was some signal issue. That's why I couldn't talk to you.
But you must have told me where were you going.
I told you before that going, but I thought कि you didn't listen that thing कि I am going there. But I dropped
Okay.
the message to you that कि I am going to Kittu house.
But you should go anywhere with my permission only.
Okay, from next time I will inform you before wherever I am going.
That's right.
Mama, I want to discuss about something with you
Okay,
because when
proceed.
I went to a Kittu house and I came to know about the salsa dance and I want to join that dance.
What do you mean by salsa dance? I don't know about it.
Salsa dance is like a couple dance and where two couple uh, dance together.
What? Couple dance? Are you
Yeah,
mad or what?
no,
Do
I'm
you know?
not mad. It
Do
is
you
just
know
like normal dance. Not there.
how can it be a normal dance? You already said that it is a couple dance. Couple dance means there must be a boy with whom you will dance.
It is
So,
not necessary कि you have to dance with couple. Maybe I find some female partner there.
I don't want you to go to dance class. It is
Mama,
not a.
please try to understand. I want to join this because you know I love dance so much.
I always let you join whatever you want, but I do this time. I don't want you to go there. I don't want
Please
you to
check the
join
all
the
the
dance
detail.
class.
After that, you can deny me. Na? Just check the all detail and video, and after watching that, please take decision.
Okay, let me know.
Okay, and I
So
am
what
giving
is
you detail of the everything and go through
yeah,
this,
give me the
and
details
then
first.
after that, take the
Yeah.
decision.
Pawan, take you.
Okay, okay, give me the details first.
Okay, here's a
Hey guys,
link.
what's going on here? What are you
She
talking
was
about? Yeah,
asking
yeah.
me to join salsa dance class, and she said that it is a couple dance. How can I let her join?
No, no. What happened to you, Shelly? You don't know about our family? Means
I
what
know
kind of family
about
we are
my
living?
family. I'm not going to do anything wrong. I just want to learn dance, and dance is no. I
Anything
don't think
wrong?
it's the wrong.
Do you
You
know
know
about the
about that.
salsa dance? Means there is a boy and the boy, two girl everywhere, and after learning this kind of dance, then you will insist us to go a reality show and
No,
to a dance show, and it is not possible in our family, and we cannot allow you.
this is
And what is
only
the
dance,
need?
like art. We are
What is
not
the
going
need
to
of
do
dance?
anything wrong. Okay.
It's no, if you want to learn the dance, so you can learn hip hop, you can learn other forms. Why you are running after the salsa only? It's not
Because
about the dance. It's yeah.
because it is very famous now. Everyone is learning that dance, so I want to learn that dance.
So
So
what?
that is why I want to say the
Do you do
same.
everything which is famous? Will you do that?
Yes, yes.
No, just I told you about that. It is we can choose any female partner also there.
No, no. Actually, see,
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
at present you can choose a female partner. But what happens when you will go further? Means if you love dance, so definitely after that you will insist us to go to reality shows as well. No? Means if you are learning something and if you are not going ahead, uh, if you are not doing it as your professional, so there is no benefit to do this thing. Okay, if you are doing something, so you should go into that thing professionally.
And
Okay,
I
just
think this
I
is just the wastage of time. Instead of that, you should learn English instead of dance.
Yeah, in our
uh,
family, all people are like a doctor, engineers, and scientists, and you are just running after the dance only. And I don't like
yeah,
this kind of professional.
I don't
And
want to be a
you know,
doctor and any professional. I don't want to choose any professional like the doctor, engineer. Okay, I love dance and it is a art, and I want to choose that thing. And uh,
In our culture, it does
see,
not.
one of
Good.
yeah, one of my friends were learning the dance, and he got injured once, and after that he lost his leg. So how can I allow you? There will be lots of flips into that dance, and if you will lose your balance, then you can get injured badly, rudely. So
Then
that is
who
why
will
I
marry
want to
you?
say, don't take risk of your body, and just do something through which we can get more reputation in the society.
And do you know if you got hurt, then who will marry you?
why are you worrying about the
Yeah.
other people? You are my parents, they are not my parents. You have to take decision for me, not them. Then why are
See, if
talking
we are
about them?
living, see, Shalini, if we are living in a society, so we should also take care of the society member. Okay, we are not living in America, we are not living in England. This is India, and this is how we do work over here.
Okay, I am your child. Okay, they are not my parents. If I am I do something new, then you should be happy. Why are you
No,
behaving
no.
that no, you should not go there and you should not learn
See,
anything new?
no. See,
Just
one
Pawan,
thing.
think.
I'm not.
Pawan,
Yeah.
see, every time she is arguing with me like this,
Yes, yes. Actually,
she
yeah. I'm
doesn't
noticing
listen.
it. I'm noticing it, and this is the fault of her companies. and wherever she goes to her friends, na, might be she has some kind of wrong friends, and might be she has some kind of wrong companies of the
Subbu,
people.
Subbu,
That
Subbu,
is why
Subbu,
she
are you there?
always does
Subbu,
these things.
No,
Yeah,
it
yeah.
is your
Subbu,
thinking. Please wait.
you are the neighbor of Pawan, and
Mm.
you both have very good terms. So suddenly you come there, and you are very much positive. You have to make them understand there
Okay.
is no problem. Let her join like this. Suddenly you come there. Okay, conversation is
Hey,
going on.
yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, Pawan, how are
Hey,
you? Oh,
hey,
all
hey,
family
Mr.
together.
Sharma, how are
Something.
you?
Hey, good,
Yes,
good.
yes,
All
yes.
family together. Something is going good. Uh, can I
Yeah, yeah.
come after some
Actually,
time or it's fine?
Yeah,
no, no, no. This
my
is very
daughter
good time.
Shani.
Yeah, you are like a family member, and I really happy that you came here. And actually, there is some going on in our family, and Shelly wants to learn a salsa dance, and I'm really
Hey,
against
wow,
it.
great, great,
So,
great, Chelsea. You can go ahead and do the dance.
Shaili,
It's
her name is
really
Shaili.
popular.
Yeah.
Sally.
See,
Okay,
Daddy,
Sally. It's
your friend
yeah.
are
See,
supporting when
go.
you are
This is
saying
the
that it's
yeah.
not a good.
Mr.
Hey,
Sharma,
Pawan.
what are you doing here?
No, no, Pawan.
I'm
Please try to
supposing that you are
understand.
my
Please
friend
try
and you
to.
support me.
Yes,
No,
I'm
no.
your well-wisher. I'm your well-wisher. That's why I'm supporting you. Don't insist your daughter only for education. Please let
No,
me
no. Actually,
go and do some
you
extra
have been
activity also.
see
What
you
you are
have been
Please
leading.
tell.
thinking,
Please
Pranita?
convince your husband also.
You have been leading with us for a long time, and you know the environment of our family. Even my dad, even my mother don't allow this thing. So how can I go after them? So I cannot take
No,
the
I'm
decision
see. If you ask me,
separately.
Pawan, friend, I'm allowed
Yeah,
to
tell me.
daughter also. So Chelsea will join this dance with my daughter. What's the problem
See,
here?
see, Mr. Sharma, you are from Punjabi family. We are from Brahman families, and it is not happen in our family. There is a huge difference between us and you. So we cannot, you cannot merge us.
See, friend, again you are going a different direction. If see, our blood is the same, red color. Why you differentiating? You belong this caste or this caste? Please let them allow to Sally to do a dance with my daughter. And also, she is searching one
Bro.
partner. So this is a very good decision.
No, no, yeah, you already know that we have doctors, engineers, and in our family. So how can my family members allow her to do any kind of dance form? And even that dance form, where is a person where is a person should be must there. So they cannot
Chelsea,
allow her.
see, Pawan, Chelsea is a is a one of the Chelsea is a good student,
Her name is Shaili.
and
Shaili.
That is why
I
I'm
must
saying. That
say
is why
can
I'm saying
Sally
she's a good student. So she should do something big in a study. Like she
she can
can be a
manage. She
doctor,
can
she can be
manage.
an engineer.
I don't
Sally,
want to choose
yeah.
a profession like doctor and engineer. I want to choose a
Yes,
profession in a dance.
Rekha, you
I
have
Pawan,
to,
I
want to be a
think,
good
yeah.
dancer.
Rekha.
And
Pawan, I
we
think,
always
Yeah,
yeah.
Rekha has to talk about all the negativity of dance, the career, you know, the success that people are not successful, they are not treated in, in a better way like this. Rekha has to speak about this.
uh, Shelley, you must understand our thoughts. You know that this if you take this dance class, then nobody will treat us in a better way, and they will think that we are giving you the permission for bad things. I don't understand why do you want to
Why do you
take
think
this
that is
dance?
not a right thing? No one is going to cares about it.
Actually,
Okay, just
actually, this is
before
the
taking
fault
any
of our
decision,
company.
just
She
go
So
with
since
me.
we are
That
living in
is
a
few times.
society, we will have to take care of the society. We can't we can't leave them apart.
Sorry,
And
You
Bhabiji,
are
Shelly,
Sorry, Bhabiji, I am interrupting your personal matter, but I'll give you one info. 10 more students are going to join Salsa class. If you're interested, you can send Sally also to join this class. I know this is your personal issue. I don't want to interfere, but as a well-wisher, I
No,
support to
no,
Sally.
no. You are my our well wisher. I know that, and I can allow only if she take a girl as a couple. and not boy. So
Mom,
I
And
think
there are
have you
lots of
forgotten
talks,
that you want
there are lots of
that?
talks, there are lots of studies. So means dance is not a good thing, and we know all about dance forms and the Bollywood things, and we know what happens over there. So how can we allow her? And even if she will join it professionally, then it will not work in future. So that is why we cannot allow it. And Shelly, we are your parents, you are not our parents, okay? So don't push her, don't force her for the bullshit thing. And Mr. Sharma, you should also go to your home, okay?
Hey,
Okay.
Mom,
Pawan,
how
what?
have you
It's
forgotten that you told me
we are
you
living
want
a
to get
21st
dancer
century.
in your
Yeah.
childhood,
What is the
and
difference
your
between girls
parents
and
did the
boys?
same
Let
thing.
them go
What
and
you are
dance.
doing?
Sorry? What did you say, Mr. Sharma?
I'm saying, why you differentiating between girls and boys? Let them go and dance. That's it.
Oh my
She's
God,
asking for
there is a
money.
big.
That is, she's asking for permission because she needs the money. You just give her money. That's it. Your business is over here. Just hand over entire things to
No, no, yeah, she
Sally.
is my responsibility. She is my responsibility, and you must heard that a ladki paraya dhan of parents. So means we live in this kind of environment. So how can I leave her? Yeah, we are not living in the relationship. She is my daughter. She is not my son,
See, Pawan,
and it's very big
Pawan,
responsibility
I'm
on me to
telling
take
you,
care of her.
telling you one thing. If you won't
And
allow
see,
the
once
Sally
once
to
she will
join the
get married,
salsa class, our
listen.
friendship is
Once
over
she
now.
will
Our friendship is over
once
now.
once once she
Lovely.
will get married, after that she can do whatever she wants. If her husband allow her to do salsa, to do hip hop, I will never interrupt. But just
Maybe
Please,
because
things
she
is
is
please
my
very
remove
dear,
changed
your
now.
orthodox mentality. Please remove your
huh?
orthodox mentality. Please allow Selfie to join the
It's
salsa
not
class.
about orthodox mentality. It's about my family.
Okay.
it's
Represent.
about our values
Yeah, I
also.
Yeah.
agree. You are one of the best family in this our society. It doesn't mean you cannot allow to Selfie to join a dance class.
So
That is my point here.
I have already said to her that she can do other dance like hip hop, whatever dance she
Okay,
can
okay,
do
done, 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 done,
separately.
done, done.
No, no, no.
Very good. Okay, okay, leave, leave,
Suppose
leave,
if
leave,
she
leave
joins,
Subur. Leave Subur. Okay, very good, very good. My God, the guys, this is called role play. I'm very much impressed. Very good.
yeah.
And
That's
you can see your recording. As far as mistakes are concerned, Shaili said like I thought key. Shaili key आ रहा था, कई बार वो की नहीं आना चाहिए. जैसे आई थॉट की आप जैसे आप रेखा से बात कर रहे थे वो की आ रहा था. इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी की. दैट की शुड नॉट बी देयर. ओके
Sir,
फिर
once
या
I made also so many mistakes.
ना किट्टू नहीं मिस्टेक नहीं था. रिकॉर्डिंग
और
में
एक्चुअली क्या है चंदन पता है यहाँ
And
पे
what
सब
about me,
बोलते
sir?
हैं
नहीं रेखा जी कोई मिस्टेक नहीं है. अच्छा ये ना रिकॉर्डिंग आप सुनना और
Sir,
अगर मैं कुछ नोट ना कर पाया हूँ तो आप मुझे बताना रिकॉर्डिंग सुन
Sir,
करके.
what
what
about
is
us, sir?
sir?
Pawan,
I have done lots of mistakes, so you just tell me my mistakes.
लेट मी से
I have to say something.
या किट्टू किट्टू गो अहेड किट्टू.
अब यहाँ पे ना सब लोग बोलते हैं what brings you here.
हाँ, सही बोलते हैं वही करेक्ट है.
अच्छा तो मैं वही कंफ्यूज होगी कि what brought you
What-
here और what brings you
हाँ
here.
ये जो व्हाट ब्रॉट यू हियर जो हम लोगों ने बोला था हमने उसको इंडियन तड़का दे दिया था. ठीक है.
अच्छा एग्जैक्टली.
तो
तो मैं इतना कंफ्यूज हो गई ना मैं उसके बाद तो बिल्कुल अटक गई.
हाँ क्योंकि हकीकत अगर मुझे भी बोलना होगा ना तो मैं भी व्हाट ब्रिंग्स यू हियर ही बोलूंगा क्योंकि यही करेक्ट है. ब्रिंग्स होगा वो प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट में पैदा ही हुआ है वो उसे हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते.
ओके ओके ओके
sir, Pawan ne bola, sir, Pawan once said one
So
of my
suppose we
friends
can
was
sometimes we can use the what brought to here
हाँ.
or what brings to here.
एक्चुअली हम
As a Indian.
हाँ इंडियन में हमें लगता है ना कि कैसे आना हुआ तो हमें लगता है पास्ट में कर दो हमें ऐसा लगता है.
Right.
बट वो रटा रटाया है अंग्रेजों का व्हाट ब्रिंग्स यू हियर वही करेक्ट है.
Okay.
वही होना चाहिए था. तो वो तो था ही. चलो फिर भी कोई नहीं चल जाता है. एक शैली ने बोला कि नो वन
Sir, मेरी mistakes, मेरी
बता रहा
mistakes.
हूँ नो वन इज गोइंग टू केयर्स अबाउट. तो केयर्स नहीं आना चाहिए था टू के बाद क्योंकि आप टू जब बोलते हैं तो टू के बाद आप एस एस कैसे लगा सकते हैं. तो सोचने वाली बात है ना. टू आप क्या इन्फिनेटिव में ज़्यादा ग्रामर तो नहीं पढ़ाता हूँ बट इन्फिनेटिव जेरंड सुना तो ही होगा सबने.
yes sir.
इन्फिनेटिव क्या होता है तो टू प्लस वी वन होता है. तो ये बस ये मिस्टेक्स हैं. बाकी रिकॉर्डिंग में देख लेंगे कि क्या हुआ था. और किटू का मैंने कुछ ऐसा नोट नहीं किया या ऑन द स्पॉट बता दिया होगा. कुछ मैंने लिखा नहीं है. रेखा जी का भी कुछ ऐसा है नहीं. ओके पवन ने बोला है कि अ पर्सन शुड बी मस्ट, कुछ शुड और मस्ट एक साथ लगा रहे थे ये एक जगह, कुछ
हाँ
ऐसा।
हाँ सर,
हाँ
तो
कुछ
वो
ऐसा।
मैं स्ट्रक्चर नहीं बना पाया वो।
तो वो नोट तो हो गया। फिर था वंस शी विल गेट मैरी कह रहे थे, तो गेट बोलेंगे तो फिर मैरिड बोलना पड़ेगा, मैरी नहीं बोल सकते। तो ये है।
ओके ओके।
बाकी कोई ऐसा झोला भर की मिस्टेक तो नहीं हो पाया, तो ये बहुत खुशी की बात है कि नहीं है, तो ये अच्छी बात है। फाइन। सो
सर
अब
एक क्वेश्चन था,
जी जी
ये जैसे जैसे बोलना होता है कि वो टूटी फूटी हिंदी में बोल रहा है या टूटी फूटी इंग्लिश में बोल रहा है, तो वो टूटी फूटी के लिए क्या वर्ड आता है?
एक्चुअली
Is
टूटी
it broken?
यहाँ पर तो लोग ब्रोकन ही बोल देते हैं, बट हम कह सकते हैं कि डजंट स्पीक इंग्लिश अप टू द मार्क, ये सब अपनी तरफ से लगा सकते हैं हम।
अच्छा, ऐसा टूटी फूटी के लिए कोई शब्द नहीं होता?
हाँ, टूटी फूटी के लिए यहाँ पर ब्रोकन ही चल देता है चला जाता है,
जी जी जी,
कोई ऐसा वर्ड नहीं
Thank
है।
you.
Sir,
टूटी फूटी का
sir,
मतलब
it's
कि
completely
अच्छा नहीं।
depends upon
मैडम
sense. सर सेंस पे डिपेंड करता है।
हाँ करेक्ट कह रहे हैं। हाँ सुबह बोलिए, सुबह अभी एक और प्रोग्राम
हाँ,
है।
मैं बोला कि आज मैं
हम्म।
हाँ मैं अटक रहा था क्या, कहा कि आ रहा था क्या?
नहीं 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 बिल्कुल नहीं, ऐसा नहीं था। और बाकी मैं रिकॉर्डिंग को भी मैं भी कई बार सुन लेता हूँ, तो मैं सुनूंगा, आप भी सुनना।
Because yesterday I did a lots of practice to remove this.
तो वो अटकन नहीं था, हमें वही चाहिए, वो मक्खन वाली इंग्लिश चाहिए बस। और थोड़ा सा रेखा जी को थोड़ा फास्ट करना पड़ेगा।
जी जी।
तो एक वो प्रोग्राम है जो मैंने आप लोग,
थॉट ही नहीं आते, वर्ड नहीं आते, एकदम से याद नहीं आते।
हाँ, तो इसीलिए ये प्रोग्राम भी है। अगर आपको लगे रेखा जी थोड़ा भी, तो और भी बैचेस हैं, बट मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप इसमें रहें मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप
यस सर,
रहें,
उनके टाइमिंग सूट नहीं करते सर,
हाँ।
ये टाइम मुझे सूट करता है, तो मैं इम्प्रूव करूंगी
क्योंकि
सर।
हमेशा ऐसे बैच में रहना चाहिए जहां आपको लगे कि कोई टक्कर वाला हो, यू नो, ऐसे बैच में रहना चाहिए। ठीक है। और जब कोई नहीं होता है तो मैं खुद ही कूद जाता हूँ मैदान में, खुद ही बात करने लगता हूँ, डिबेट करने लगता हूँ जब कोई नहीं होता है तो, या बट कोई नहीं। मैं ये रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ कर रहा हूँ, फिर हम एक वो जो पिक्चर मैंने भेजा था ना, वो पिक्चर में ला रहा हूँ जरा स्क्रीन पर, और उस पर जरा करते हैं, स्पीड देखते हैं फ्लुएंसी का। रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ करता हूँ मैं।